What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's Maestro O'Neil once again, back with another video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and comment down below what other videos you want me to make next. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, don't forget to share the video because it helps the channel grow faster. I have a simple, I wouldn't call it a solo, but you guys can call it a solo if you want to. However, I would recommend you use this using a piano sound. It sounds better that way. Let's get straight into the video. As always, I'm in the key of C. I will show you what I'm doing first, and then afterwards, I'll explain what I did. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. It's not very complicated at all. It's very simple. First thing you do, you walk up to the 7. Y'all see that? This is really G. This is really G, second inversion, just without the 2. And then it's really your 4, no, second inversion. That's really all it is, guys. That's really all it is. But we take out the second note. So let's restart. You walk up to the 7, 6, 6 sharp, 7, then 5. Then what you do is you walk back down, 7, flat 7, 6, then you play the 4. I get it? Y'all see it? And then you do it again. You walk from the 6 down to the 5. Then you play the 3. 3. You walk back down again from the 5 to the 4. Then you play the 2. This is really just D minor right here. Y'all see? Which is really C, It's really G. That's really F. That's really C. That's really D. Let's restart. We'll walk up to the 7. Play the 5. 5. Walk backwards. Play the 4. Walk down to the 5. Then you play the 3. Walk down to the 4. Then you play the 2. In this part, you're gonna jump all the way down to the 2 and walk up to the 3. And then you'll play the 1. So you come from here, and you can end it off like that, and you come back to your chord. So very quickly. Now let's get into the part that I chose to do. I chose to do the 7 and the 6. I chose to do that part only, but it's very simple. It's the same thing. You just change the order, but it's really the same pattern. But you don't go all the way down. You go back and forth. So let's restart. You walk up to the 7 once again. Then you walk down from the 7 to the 6. Then you walk back up to the 7. Then you walk back down to the 6. Then you walk down to the 5. Then you walk up to the 6. Y'all get it? Let's restart. You walk up to the 7. You walk down to the 6. You walk up to the 7. You walk down to the 6. So basically you do it twice. It's going to be a total of 4 times, but you walk up to the 6 twice, you walk down to the... No, you walk up to the 7, you walk up to the 7 twice, and you walk down to the 6 twice. So, See, I did it 4 times in total, 2 times each. I did the 6 twice, I did the 7 twice. That's a 7, that's 1 time. That's a 6, that's 1 time. That's a 7, that's 2 times now. That's a 6, that's 2 times now. Then after that, I go down to the 5. That's 1. I go up to the 6 now. That's 1. I go down to the 5. That's 2. I go up to the 6. That's 2. Now I go up to the 7. That's 1. Go down to the 6. That's 1. Go up to the 7. That's 2. That's 2. That's 1. That's 1. That's 2. That's how you do it, basically. It's very simple. It's the same pattern, just go back and forth. That's all it is. If you want to, you could put a synthesizer, you could put a solo sound, but me personally, I like it with the piano sound. It sounds better for me. I won't lie to you guys. It gets kind of tiring to do that for the whole time. I wouldn't advise you guys to do that for the whole time, but if they're doing a break and they're about to come in, you could do that in the middle of that. Like, for example, let me show you guys once again. For example, let's go back a little bit. Like during this part, that would be kind of perfect for you to do it during this part. And then when everybody comes in, you come back in with your chocky. Saying you do that part, and then when they're done with their break, you just come back in and you start chalking or doing whatever you were doing before. It's very simple, guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Until next time, I'm out. Maestro O'Neal signing out.